electrician the other day. He said that they were done, that everything was filled in and ready to go. So we said, well, he said, how do you want to go about, getting us the rest of the money? And I said, well, we want to do a walkthrough with you before we send the rest of the money. And so we came out, and yeah, sure enough, he said they had filled it in. If this is filled in, I'd kind of question that a little bit, but it's not like there wasn't plenty of dirt there. And then inside, then on this, none of the breakers are in. It's not wired in. They're just hanging there. So they were supposed to finish that. So I'm not sure what the finished job was supposed to be. Right here on this wall, because the refrigerator's going on this wall, and the refrigerator plug was put over here, and the stove is going right here, and it's gas stove. So I don't know if it's a good idea for it to be next to the refrigerator, but okay. So the electrician is leaving now. We met with him, and they're going to fix what previously wasn't fixed or not right. And they're going to do that Friday, and then we'll be done. Perfect.